Hi everyone, Captain Mark. I needed to purchase some waders for fishing in some streams and rivers. So I thought I'd go to Cabela's and I picked up these two items I think you're going to like, so let's get to the review. Hi everyone, Captain Mark. Today I have the Osprey 3 waders I purchased. I got these from Cabela's in an extra large size. Very nice. You can see what they look like here. We're going to pull them out and do an open boxing here and see. They got packed with a bunch of features on it. So let's open it up, see what we have. There's probably not a whole lot of different things in here. Maybe just the waders, I don't know. But we'll pull the waders out, see. Okay. Oh, yeah, there's something here. Oh, it's a mesh bag. Yeah, there's a little mesh bag comes from it. Wow, it must fit inside of that. Okay. So these do compress pretty well. That's a salesman in the store, Cabela's, told me. Pulls up, a little draw tightening. We'll set it off to the side, and we'll see if it'll fit in there later. Okay, let's open it up. That's what we're here to see. So this is the Ultralight. These are 100% waterproof chest waders. High density neoprene stockings. They're automatically correct for a better fit. And they have a elastic cuff around them, I see. The bottoms are all reinforced too. That's nice. They're like a wetsuit neoprene. And they've got double reinforcing on the ankle parts. Oh, look, they got a little clip to clip onto the boot to hold them down so they don't work their way up when you have your shoes on. That's nice. Yep. See, they have the double seam on there where the neoprene attaches to the waders. And let's open it up and see what we have there. Wow, nice. Okay, so we have we'll grab that belt buckle here. I'll slide it through there. It's a heavy duty plastic belt clip. Nice and big, so you don't have to fumble around when you got gloves on. You adjust it on the side. Those are heavy duty. Nice and reinforced so they won't rip on you. Okay, we'll open it up here. Wow, that's a large front opening. Look at the pocket on that. Huge. Front pocket, it's got the, wow, the waterproof zipper on it. Wow. Yep, it's definitely waterproof. You can see that. Plenty of room to put supplies in there. Plenty of room to put paperwork in there, like your fishing license or any kind of tag in there or paperwork to keep it dry. And you can put a little snack in there if you wanted to keep it dry. And it looks like we have another pocket on the inside front. Let me unhook these clips here so we can see them. Oh yes. So this one's not waterproof, but it is waterproof material. And it has a Velcro strap on it to keep it locked down. And we'll draw strap here to keep it tight around our waist with the quick locking mechanism on them. Here we have our straps. The straps are extra reinforced on them, so they're nice and big, easy to grab. I'm noticing something here. We got two different styles. We got the female part that connects into the male part on one side, on the right side, and then on the left side we have the male that connects into the female. That's cool, so we won't get them mixed up. And you have your top adjustments, and you have your back support separator. Keep it divided up. And how do we adjust the bottom? Oh, nice loops on that. Again, double reinforced. And it's Velcroed, so you could actually take them off when you don't need them. That's nice. And a little clip to put all your other gear or attachments on it. And a quick loop to pull it up if you need to get behind and pull it up for somebody. Back side of the pockets, or the inside of the pockets, it's insulated for hand warmers. That's really cool. Fleece lined pockets. Keep your hands warm. I've never seen that before. Soft material. I love that fleece. One loop in the back for the waist belt. Be nice. 5-layer reinforced seat and knees, so you can see here how heavy duty that is, how strong it is. won't get any punctures on that. I'm going to try to fold it up here. Like it said, it folds up compactly so you can fit it in the bag, so I'm going to give it a try. So this is really nice, lightweight, compact, great for traveling. Just throw it in this little mesh bag and take it with you, even when you're done, so it dries out. Look at that, fits right in there. So checking on the length of this, it is 18.5 inches, and the width of it is 13.5. And the weight on this, it's roughly 96 ounces. So I'm going to give this 2 thumbs up because of so many features that are packed into this. So let's take a look at the boots now. Okay, so it says they're quality felt sole wading boots at a great value. Lightweight leather and mesh uppers. Reinforcing caps and toes and heels. Padded collars. It is lightweight EVA midsoles. Traditional felt soles for sure footing in wet stream beds. Okay, let's open it up, see what it looks like. Oh wow, those are nice. Those are quality. They look like hiking boots. Look at it, reinforced in the front, double reinforced in the back. The uppers on them are mesh, so the water penetrates through. On the bottom, you have thick felt to keep you from slipping on rocks and riverbed bottoms. Nice heavy duty lacing on that. And they have padded uppers. Wow, look, they have little vents on the sides to get the water to come out. That's nice. Equalize that water in there. Yeah, these are really nice quality pair of boots. Even the lacing on this is heavy duty with these cleats holding on the laces. Double reinforce and padding all in the bottom of the boots, up in the toes. This is quality boots. I like this. All right, so I brought somebody with me this time to try them out. Tony's gonna try the waders and try the boots on, see how they fit, see how comfortable they are. This is my nephew. Say hi to everybody.
Hi everyone. I'm in a pretty nice little carry bag.
Yeah, it's a mesh bag. Folds right up in there. Easy to carry, easy to transport. I'm not sure though when I get out of the water. I mean, it'd probably be all right in there, but it wouldn't be a great idea to store them for very long when they're all wet. So.
Thin waders.
Yeah. We're out here on a beautiful day. It's Sunday morning out at the Layton's Ranch.
These are breathable, huh?
Yeah, these are breathable, 100% waterproof, reinforced in the knees and in the backside. I'm hoping those boots will fit you. Oh, look at that, slide right on there. So that neoprene helps slide those boots right on. Lightweight, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
They remind me of my dry suits that I had for scuba diving.
I feel like they'd be pretty comfortable.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there you go. They go on pretty quick.
Seems like they got a nice inside pocket too.
Yep, they have an inside pocket. The one on the front, the large capacity one on the front, that's waterproof. You can adjust the belt too. See that? They're all waterproof. Now, if you slide your hands behind that pocket you just opened, that's also insulated hand warmer in there.
Got fleece in it.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. You got room to walk around.
Yeah,
the felt on the bottom, that's supposed to keep you from slipping. Why don't you, can you show them how that little clip, maybe do up a boot or two and show them how that little clip down there keeps the waders in place? Nice boots. I mean, they're almost like hiking boots. Very nice. And so, like I said, it has a clip just to keep the waders down over top of the boots. And it just grabs laces. Yeah, look at that. Cool. Why don't you turn around, Tony, and let me see. Yeah, they're sharp. And it's got a little clip in the back where you can, up top where your shoulder is, where you can click on some accessories up there too. And
it seems like there's a lot of room to move around in them.
Gonna work great for fishing, huh? You got that belt you can actually tighten up to make it nice and fit. It's over on your, yeah, on the side there. You just draw it up. So anyways, thank you so much for trying them on and showing everybody how they look and how they feel and how to walk around. I appreciate it, Tony.
Not a problem.
Okay. So that's my review on the Cabela's Ultralight Sole Wading Boots and the Cabela's Osprey 3 Breathable Waders. I purchased them both from Cabela's, and the boots were $79.99 and the Breathable Waders were $139.99, and I'll leave that link down below. They're high quality. You can see that in the videos. I think you can't go wrong if you get them. So if you think the information was useful in helping you purchase this item or any other items on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel and haven't done it yet, and hit the bell to the right to catch all my upcoming videos because I got a lot more coming. So this is Captain Mark saying, hey, thanks guys for watching.